When it comes to choosing a task manager, you might be wondering if Todoist is the right fit for you. There are plenty of options out there, but in this video, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know before buying Todoist. By the end, you'll have all the information to make an informed decision. First off, Todoist gives you powerful task management features, but with a clean and intuitive design. Compared to its competitors like Asana or Trello, which have steeper learning curves, Todoist keeps it simple, especially if you're someone who needs to get things done without a complicated setup. It's minimalistic, yet packed with useful features once you dig deeper. Next thing to keep in mind is its flexibility in organizing tasks. You can categorize your tasks into projects and sub-projects, use labels and filters, and prioritize them by setting due dates or flags. Unlike apps like Microsoft To Do, which are a bit more limited in how you can organize your tasks, Todoist lets you fine-tune your task organization for your unique workflow. Now, the third thing is the integration with other tools. Todoist doesn't just stand alone. It integrates with Google Calendar, Zapier, Amazon Alexa, and even Dropbox. So, if you're already using these tools in your workflow, Todoist connects seamlessly, saving you time from switching between different apps. For instance, you can set up your tasks to sync with your calendar, which is something that gives Todoist an edge over basic apps like Google Keep, which don't have the same depth of integrations. The fourth thing to note is Todoist's premium features, which are definitely worth considering if you're serious about productivity. While the free version covers the basics, the premium version gives you extra functionality like task labels, reminders, and more robust reporting options. If you're comparing this to alternatives like Asana, which requires you to upgrade for essential features, Todoist offers more at a lower price point. The fifth thing is its mobile app experience. Todoist's mobile apps for iOS and Android are top-notch, with smooth syncing between devices. This means that whether you're working from your desktop or phone, your tasks will always stay up to date. While apps like Evernote are also mobile-friendly, Todoist's focus is purely on task management, so it's more efficient for that purpose, unlike Evernote, which is more of a note-taking app with task management features on the side. Next up, let's talk about collaboration. While Todoist is primarily designed for individual productivity, you can also share projects with team members. You can assign tasks, leave comments, and track progress, which makes it a solid choice for small teams or personal projects. However, if you're looking for something more robust for large teams, with extensive collaboration features, tools like Asana or Monday.com might be a better fit. But for solo entrepreneurs or smaller teams, Todoist works great. Finally, Todoist's pricing structure is very transparent. The free version has a lot of value, and if you're only managing personal tasks, you might never need the premium version. But if you do upgrade, the pricing is competitive when compared to similar apps like Any.do or Todoist's own competitors. Plus, you can try it completely free before making a decision, and that's something that sets Todoist apart. There's no pressure to upgrade until you feel ready. So now that you know what to expect, if you want to give Todoist a try for yourself, click the first link in the description to access the best free trial and some exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere. Trust me, this is the best way to see if Todoist is right for you without any commitment.